Namaste, my deep divine gratitude. I hope you are as excited as me about this Money Reiki workshop. Now, first answering few of your questions. First of all, it will be a total online course. You will be getting your materials in form of video recordings through WhatsApp. There will be no time specific for you to study this course because you will be receiving these videos, you will be getting your informations, you will be getting your PDFs in your WhatsApp only. So whenever you have time, you have to commit 20 to 30 minutes per day to learn this course, including the self-healing part. So the discussion will be through video conferences and you can ask all your questions on every Sunday. The total time this workshop will take is 40 days. It will be a 6 weeks journey which will be continuous learning for you. So each and every day is very important and I want you to participate in this workshop with 100% efforts because this will be life transforming. Making money is not just part of need, but this is all about vibration. This is kind of liberating thing because when you get liberated by an urge to make money, you will have enough, then your life will be much different because for majority of the people, making money is not a necessity, it becomes a slavery because I see that 90% of the people are spending their times and efforts just to make few dollars or few euros. So if you get liberated from this workshop, then you can do many things with your life, and this is very liberating. And this workshop is not about prosperity, not about anything that is part of it, but especially it is made for you to earn more money because we are all born rich. When we download the negative beliefs towards money, it gets stored in our subconscious mind and that becomes a block. And you know, to hold yourself, to become miserable, to feel suffering, it actually degenerates more energy than usual. It means if you get clear these things, your life will be much better in energetic level also. Because if you ask me what is the difference between a successful person and a non-successful person, both have same energies. The only difference between a success and non-success is that the successful person knows how to focus the energies. It doesn't mean that the successful person has more energy or he is some god gifted or whatever, but only difference between a success and a non-success is the power to focus. In this workshop we will be giving you many things by which you get rid of these past beliefs and past energies and you are born again. So after completing Yosoi Reiki or having experience of Reiki which is already transforming, life transforming, Money Reiki is a big boost. When we go to the second week in Asht Lakshmi Reiki, you will know that abundance is not only material, abundance is spiritual also. So if you want to have extraordinary experiences like many sages have, many yogis have, people talk about many kind of experiences. You may have these experiences after attaining the grace of Goddess Lakshmi, because Goddess Lakshmi is the deity for abundance, prosperity, harmony in both the dimensions, spiritual as well as the material one. So it will be a very life transforming journey of these 40 days. I want you to enroll today. The workshop starts from 15th of August, which happens to be the birthday of our Grandmaster Makao Sui. So, and we will have this workshop for Money Reiki only once a year in Reiki Dynamic Healing. we don't do it again and again. So I want you to make this quick because the next moment will be next year. And once you become, once you develop these kind of senses that you become a perfect many magnet, your life will transform in many dimensions which you will be experiencing within this workshop. I wish you luck and success in advance, and I hope to see you in my class. Be blessed always, and I wait for your enrollments now.